calculating work from basic problems. So, minsan may mga problems na hindi natin masosolve. So, some problems sabi dito cannot be solved by mechanically solving, substituting into formulas, and one must return to basic principles to obtain solutions. This is illustrated in the next example. Okay, so we have example 5.11. Okay, so example 5.11 is figure 5.14a. Okay, figure on the left shows a conical container of radius 10 feet and height of 30 feet. Then suppose that this container is filled with water to a depth of 15 feet. Okay, how much work is required to pump all the water out through a hole in the top of the container? Pump all the water out. Okay, so ito yung figure, no, binigay. You have a conical container of radius 10 feet, height is 30. Okay, so height, sabihin ng pantayan, height is 30 feet. Okay, height is 30 feet. And then, ano pa yan? So, ang sabi, ang papahanap sa atin is, ano yung force o yung work, no, required to pump all the water dito sa taas. Okay, ilan yung work dito? Yan, tanong. Okay? So, medyo mahirap siya, no? So, kailangan mo talagang isa-isahin to. So, for this example, di ba? Ano sabi dito? So, since integration concept ito, no? We divide the water into 10 layers. Okay? So, I think na-study nyo na ito, yung Riemann sum. So, to approximate the total work. Okay? So, sabi dito, no? We need to introduce an x-axis as shown in the figure 5.14a. And then we divide the water into n layers denoting delta xk. Okay, so ito siya, no, yung delta xk. So, yan siya. So, dito, so ang sabi, yung work, no, yung work required to move this kth layer, no, so that is approximately, so yung work, no, is approximately fk times xk. Diba? So, yan yung work natin. Okay? So, ang problema natin, anong problema? Kailangan natin makuha yung, ano to? Sabi dito, the force required to lift the kth layer is the force needed to overcome gravity. And then this is the same as the weight of the layer. Okay? So, if the layer is very thin, we can approximate the volume of the kth layer with the volume of the cylinder of height delta xk and radius rk. So, meron tayo dito, no? So, meron kang thin strip. So, this is your thin strip. Okay. So, this is your thin strip. Diba? So, this is taken from your figure A. Okay, doon lang galing yan, no? So, we have your xk. Okay. So, kailangan, sa taas tayo, di ba? So, sabi, how much work is required to pump all the water out through a hole in the top. Okay, sa top, no? So, from the top, we base doon yung ating xk asterisk, no? Okay, doon natin i-base yan. So, yung xk na yan, so from the top up to this thin strip, di ba? Then mula sa baba, so that is 30 minus xk. So, we now have xk, okay, from the top. Okay, meron kang triangle na mabubuo. Kasi this is a conical container, di ba? Kabuuan ng ito, kabuuan ng triangle. Okay. Makabuuan ng triangle dyan. And then you now have ito, 30 from the top to the bottom. And then the radius is 10. So, by similar triangles, di ba? So, ito yung smaller, ito yung smaller na triangle, okay? So smaller. So we have xk and then the rk. And then yung malaki, okay, yung malaki ito. Yan. So yung malaki, so we have yung ating malaking triangle. Okay. Oops. So we have 30 tsaka 10. So by similar triangles, okay. So by similar triangles, this is we have, so similar, no? So we have, ayan. So pwede naman to eh. So pwede mo siyang xk, okay, over rk is equal to, syempre, yung pa y, no? So xk is 230, di ba? So 30 over yung sa rk, similar niya yung 10. Similar leg, di ba? So we now have that. So solving for ano to, rk yung sinolve niya, no? So solving for rk, so this is 10 over 30 xk. Okay? Yan siya. So rk is 1/3 of xk. So we now have this, no? So from our formula, no? Volume, no? So volume tayo, di ba? So volume of the cake layer of water, okay? So we have pi r squared h, di ba? So we have the pi r squared h. Okay? So para lang tong formula ng ating cylinder. Volume ng cylinder. So we have pi r squared h, di ba? So we have pi r k squared, yun yung radius natin, yung rk. Tapos yung height natin, yung ito, delta xk. Ito yung height natin. So na yan. Ito. Ito yung kukunin mo, oh. Diba? So kung very thin strip yan, di ba? Thin strip lang. So napakaliit lang. So para na siyang cylinder. Very thin cylinder lang. Okay. So very thin. So ang cylinder natin is pi r squared h, di ba? So yan siya. So diyan nagbase yung formula natin. So we have pi r squared, rk squared, x delta xk. Okay. So height nito is delta xk. Okay. Yan, delta xk. Radius is rk. Yan, yung radius nito is rk. Okay. So doon yan galing, no? Okay. So we have this. And then yung rk natin, di ba? Rk is xk over 3. So we have this, no? Substitute mo lang. And then, ano nangyari dyan? So we na, dito ko nalagay sa gilid, So pi rk squared delta xk. So yung rk natin ay ito, no? So rk is 1/3 xk. xk, yan. Tapos, substitute rk. So we have pi times 1/3 xk squared. Then delta xk. And then, square mo tong 1/3 xk. So we have pi. So 1/9 xk. Ito. Squared. So delta xk. So ito na siya, no? And then, volume yan, no? Volume. And then, since water density natin is 62.4 pound per cubic feet, no? So we now have the force is equal to 62.4 pi over 9 times the Ayan siya. So ito, force now is, we have your, ito ay weight density. Diba? So weight density, diba nakalagay yung concept niyan? Dito ba? Wala siya dito. So weight density. Yan. So weight density, diba? So weight density is 62 ng weight density. Weight density. Ano denote? Ano pang denote natin sa water density? Weight density. Teka. Weight density. Yun, rho. Rho is equal to W over V. So rho is equal to W over V. Ayun. Okay? So, ayan siya. Weight density. Okay, so weight over the volume. Okay? So we now have this. So force is equal to 62.4 pi over 9 times your xk squared delta xk. Okay, so yun na siya. So mula dito, volume ito. Okay, this is volume. Okay, we can solve for Fk. So ito, okay, yung W is force, no? So we have, ayan, okay, so tama to. So we have Fk is now equal to yung ating density, 62.4 times yung ating volume. Okay? So yan na siya. So we have your force. And then from 5.9, yung ating force is force times distance. Diba? So we now have your force. Okay? Yan, pinanggalingan yan. Your force times your distance. Ito, distance yan. Okay? So simplifying this, so may xk squared ka tsaka xk, so we now have xk cubed. Okay? So we now apply, no, yung ating integral, di ba? So w is equal to wk. Okay? So we have this. So w is now equal to the limit of the summation. Halo-halo na siya, no? 62.4 pi. Yan siya. So if we take the limit of this summation, okay, your limit, your maximum delta x is of k approaches 0. Okay, so mangyari nito, okay, so this is now your dx, diba? So magiging dx yan. Okay, so we now have 62.4 pi over 9. So this is constant. Okay, ito yung labas yan. So itong x cube is x to the 4 over 4. Okay, so we evaluate that. So that is approximately equal to 4,135,000 pound, feet pound. Okay, foot pounds. Okay, so ganyan yung pagkuha natin ng ating work dito sa conical container na ito, no? So that is some example.